Okay, and then the last exercise is writing sentences. Here, you have to write the sentences that Miss Desi will tell you. So, you have to listen very carefully. Okay? For example, Miss Desi say, the tiger is big. The tiger is big. Then you write the sentence here. The tiger is big. Don't forget the full stop. The tiger is big. Okay? Now, you will have to write the sentences for number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Listen carefully. Number 2, the lion is big. The lion is big. Number 3, the parrot is small. The parrot is small. Number 4, the bat is small. The bat is small. Number 5, the buffalo is big. The buffalo is big. Okay, try to write it correctly. Very good. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to always stay home and stay safe. See you again in the next videos. Bye-bye.